What is up, guys? We're back with another trophy guide today. Today's trophy guide, guys, is called When Canaries Cry, where you must defeat any opponent with Black Canary with the final hit coming from a level 3 Canary Cry. Now, this seems pretty simple. I think I know how to do this, so we'll pick Black Canary and we'll pick... hey, why the hell not? We'll pick Green Arrow. And we'll go very easy, and then we'll go to... oh, back to the Black Adam Palace. Alright guys, so this seems pretty easy. I believe the Canary Cry is her trait, so let's see what we can do here.
What now, pretty bird?
You haven't been a good boy.
My safe word's Arrow Cave.
Alright, let's see. We'll go to the move list, and we'll see that her super move is Sonic Scream. Canary Cry, yep, Canary Cry. So we'll let that charge up to level 3, and then we'll beat up on Arrow here a little bit. If you heard that in the background, that was my cats. They're not being very friendly with each other. I apologize for that. So let's finish this up here. Oh, let's hope we went back. There it is. Alright, so here we go. Boom, guys. And there you go, When Canaries Cry. Guys, if you've enjoyed this trophy guide, be sure to drop a like and be sure to smash that subscribe button. Guys, I'm Nighthawk, and I will see you guys next time with another Injustice 2 trophy guide. Bye, guys!